What's up, guys, and good morning. It is Friday, the start of the week here in Angeles City. I'm up here Perimeter Road. You know what, I'm just gonna take a cruise and walk down Perimeter Road here. It's been a while since I kind of strolled down this way. Some newer things are going on. Newer clubs are opening, new establishments have opened. Let me kind of show you where I'm at. I'm here at Port Margarita Station, or yes, Margarita Station 2.0. They're open. They are doing okay from my understanding, but it's been a while since I walked down through here. Check out some of the clubs. Still have Night Moves here. That's been up and running for quite a while. We also have a munch box. The munch box. Yeah, Night Moves has been going for quite a while. They have a little store on the left-hand side as you go in. They do smoked meats. Matter of fact, I grabbed some bacon from there one time, and it was pretty good. So yeah, you should check it out if you're up here. We're now applying Triple X, Thunderbird. Most of these clubs aren't going to open till what, mid-morning, something like that, 10, 11 o'clock. Here we go, Black Satin. This is a new one here. I poked my head in there when they were renovating it. The Black Satin's a new one, and I gotta tell this story. I just have to tell this story because I just have to, right? Let me see. Is my screen on or my screen off? Hang on. All right, issues with my screen. I'm using a GoPro. You know, I'm a member. Sneakily, they don't like it. I'm a member of this one, I call them the hate group, because they always find problems with everything here in Angeles City, from restaurants to bars to clubs. You know, they always find fault. Not all of them, but there's the handful that do. Well, they had told me they had gone into Black Satin here, right? And they were crying.
There was people smoking in there. They were smoking.
If you don't like it, don't go in. And then,
What's smoking? It's against the law here in the Philippines. You shouldn't be smoking. It's against the law.
okay, but you're going in there to solicit prostitutions? Isn't solicitation of prostitutions illegal in the Philippines also? Oh, so one rule can apply to you and it should apply to somebody else, but other rules don't. I don't get it. Some of these people are just miserable people. A Black Satin. If you don't like a place that has smoking, don't go in. Simple as that. Sit home. Most of these places will allow even people to vape. I don't even know what that is. Karaoke bar down there on the left. I really haven't shot down some of these side roads here. But yeah.
It's smoking in there. I'm done going there.
Don't go. Nobody cares if you go or not. The one guy that leaves because of smoking, 20 are coming in. All right, showtime. Showtime. That's fresh paint, huh? Looks good. All right. And you got Great Fox Resto. You got Garfield's on the end. All right. All I'm going to do is get in the shade. I'm going to cut down the road a little bit further here and check out some of the other clubs. All right, guys, I kind of strolled up the road here a little bit. Rode up the road, not strolled up the road. Not very far from where we were just at, but some of these clubs through here never reopen. Ice bar, pool table, Wi-Fi, happy hour, 6 to 8, local drink, 60 pesos for a local drink. They never reopen, and I don't know why. Looks like they're doing renovation in here. I'll poke my head in here. How you doing, buddy? Renovation? Is it going to open up as another bar again, or restaurant, maybe?
Maybe store.
Maybe store. All right, but no bar. All right, thank you, buddy. So there it is. They're doing renovation in there. But yeah, never reopened. There was another one right here, looking for the name on it. Don't see anything. Pool tables, there's all your construction. Pool tables are upstairs. Platinum bar, which is right here. Platinum. You can even see up in there. Club and hotel. Never reopened. Happy hour. 2 to 5. Local drinks. Single lady drinks. Double lady drinks. What else down here? Legends. I'm gonna walk here. Legends Billiard and Restaurant. I don't think they're open. Padlock on it. I don't know if they open up. I do know those, definitely. They're done. And the Poseidon here. I don't think this is open. Poseidon. All that garbage out there. Some of these just never open. No Way Bar. Warning, warning, No Way Bar. I think this one's open. Or it was open. It says, wanted dancers and waitresses. Or homicide with girls. It smells like a fresh paint. Happy hour, 1 to 5. So many pesos, all local drinks. Then you got Sorroso's here. Great. One of the best, if not the best Italian place here in Angeles City. All right. Guess I'll head up the road a little further. All right, so I just spoke to the gentleman here who's opening up the doors in Legend. Legends is open. They're the only ones that are open in this little strip besides the No Way Bar. All right. However, he did tell me February, the contract's over for the people that are renting the building. So you rent the building. You never own the building. You rent it like you rent, and you put your business in there. He said February, their contract is up and they're moving out. So Legends is open for the meantime. All right, guys, I rolled up the road here. I'm up at the Clarkton. All right, I've seen this action going on up here for the past month or two, right? I figured I'd get up here. Let me see what's going on. You can remember. Let me show you here. So this is Clarkton here. I recommend this place highly. Nice place, nice pool, away from downtown. You can catch strikes and go to downtown, but highly recommend the Clarkton. Stayed there a few times. Now, at one point, all these other clubs were down through here. They've all been abolished. They've all been tore down. But I noticed this one here. This here has been, they've been working on this here now for the past couple months. All right, finally got up here. I'll probably, he doesn't look too happy. This is a new club. Another new disco club. How many more disco clubs can we get in Angeles City? Now, I was told by the guard that it is Korean owned, there's going to be Korean owned, Korean run. Who knows? Who really cares? Like I said, let the Koreans buy up all of Angeles City entertainment. But what's it? Happing.club, HAPING.club. So this is the newest, biggest, baddest thing right here. Office of the building, official Angeles City. Office of the building, official Angeles City. Instructor, sanitary, electric and engineer. Just your little things there, but this is it, guys. Like I said, how many more disco clubs can we have? Is there enough people to even fill the disco clubs that are coming in? But anyway, you guys see it here. Here's how it was. This is the old clubs here. Actually, all these clubs down through here, if I'm not mistaken, prior to lockdown and shutdown, these were all Korean bars. All the Koreans used to come here. There weren't as many up on Walking Street. They were all down here. Then after closing, these all got shut down, never reopened. They tore the roofs off them. You can see the roofs are tore off them. Tore the roofs off of them, and I guess people from squatting in it, but now it's a dumping ground for you know, for trash. And as you can see, I mean, these clubs they're gone, never to return. Somebody will buy this property up, and somebody will renovate it, put something else in here. There it is. Remember, that one's called the Orange Club or something like that. Oh, there you go. The guy that complains. There it is. This is a smoke-free facility. All right, the guy that cried about
There's smoking in here. I'm not coming in here no more. There's smoking.
There's a perfect clip for you, buddy. This is a smoke-free facility.
There's smoking. There's laws against smoking. But the law don't pertain to me when it comes to solicitation of prostitution.
My Andrew Dice Clay. Andrew Dice Clay. All right, there it is. Nasty. Fucking filthy pigs. That's all I gotta say. Filthy fucking pigs just throwing garbage on the, you know, on the street here like that. It's nasty. It's just downright nasty and disgusting. And if you don't think it isn't, well, I feel bad for you. There it is. All right, guys, there it is. There's my wrap up. There's my walk. There's what's going on. Sorry, guys. What else is there to do in Angley City, right? What else is there to do? All right, we'll talk to you guys later.